Okay, so I asked my friend Josh to build an alcohol stove. This is my alcohol stove, and this is what they use in the military. So that's military grade because it was my husband's. And I've made just because you go through them a lot, the shields for them. So I just go to the dollar store and I buy one of the dollar store aluminum, serving plates, and then I just cut out. There's 3 pieces underneath it to kind of give it stability, and then a shield because when it's windy, which it's not today, thank God, but when it's windy, the alcohol blows all over the place and you really could start a fire. So it's always good to have your shield with you. So Josh, the first thing you're going to do is you're going to kneel down. There's 2 alcohol tabs in there. You're going to light them on fire. Did they light? There we go. So now they're on fire, and you're going to just wait a little bit before you put on your cup. Okay, go ahead and put your cup on. And the trick is always to balance the cup. And you kind of just, keep an eye on it, watch it. I would move away the wood here. We put this piece of wood here just to show, like, how quickly things can go up when we're not thinking about them, right? So you want to clear your path. And he's going to keep an eye on it. I'll edit that part out. And notice he's using a mitt because that is going to get really, really hot really, really quickly. So he's going to watch that, and that's going to take probably about 5 minutes. So while